Did you know that the spicy and crunchy kara save that you get in the sweet shops can be made at home? Today we are going to see just that. Now let's look at the ingredients.
Firstly, take 1 cup of besan, then half cup of rice flour, small piece of butter. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, add salt as per taste. If you need the kara save little bit spicier, you can add little more crushed peppers. Now add water gradually. Let us knead the dough. Add less water to get a soft spongy dough. Now this is the mold which we are going to use for making kara save. Let's divide the dough into 4 portions. Now let's put in the chakli maker. In case you want to purchase this chakli maker, we have left the link to this in the description box below. Now take a pan, add cooking oil to it. Now it is the time to shape kara save. Wait until it cooks well and turns brown. Voila! Kara save is ready to be served.